We highly condemn the way some of our candidates have been arrested. Some of these candidates are supposed to come for vetting, some of them are supposed to be nominated for members of parliament and others, but some of them have been arrested. The likes of Wakiso, who was violently arrested by the security operatives for no reason. We condemn them out there. We are Ugandans and we should be treated the same way. It is not a crime supporting Kyagulanyi and supporting NUP. So we condemn you. If you continue with this, we may have to take action as NUP. We ask the government to unconditionally free all political prisoners. Unconditionally free them. Today's main event is to talk about the vetting process of members of parliament. We had earlier on communicated to you people that we shall start vetting members of parliament from the 15th of this month. And we are here to give you a breakdown on how they will be vetted. On 15th of September, we shall have the members of parliament from Wakiso, West Nile and Kigezi. Then on the 16th, we shall have our members from Kampala, Acholi and Ankole. Then on the 17th, we shall have those coming from Greater Masaka, Lango and Tooro. On the 18th, we shall have those from Greater Mpigi, Karamoja and Bunyoro. On the 19th, we shall have those coming from Greater Mukono, Sebei, Teso and Rwenzori. 20th, Greater Mubende, Bugisu and Bukedi. And then on the last day, which is the 21st, we shall have the members of parliament being vetted coming from Greater Luweero and Busoga. Vetting starts at 8 a.m. for all candidates. And we ask our candidates to carry along with them the expression of interest forms, national IDs, membership cards, original or certified copies of their academic documents. For those who might have changed names, they should come with the deed polls and all other documents that may be needed.